Kia ora everybody. My name is Douglas To'u, and my role here in the laboratory is I'm the manager for the laboratory services of the Marae Ora. In this field, it's more of investigating disease to help the doctors to make better decisions and to guide them in a way of diagnosing their patients for better management. We are at the early stages to the setup of the PCR lab. We hope to have this laboratory in place within the next 2 to 3 months. This laboratory is a specialized laboratory and it's focused on testing for certain diseases using the genetic technology. We can then proceed to confirm diseases like COVID, SARS-19, influenza, and also other outbreaks like dengue virus diseases, infection, and many others that we can do using the PCR technology.